Hello everyone, so if you want to add widgets on your lock screen on the Apple iPhone 12 Pro, let's just do this. So unlock your lock screen, but make sure not to go to your home screen, but to leave on your lock screen. Now hold on the blank space and press customize. Choose your lock screen, and here you can add a lot of widgets and you can play with the ones you already have. So first of all, you can change the color of the wallpaper, right? You can add up some new widgets. For example, our classical scheme of photo and flashlight can be gone forever from now. You can add up some new little cool photos here. You can crop it, pinch it, right? So it will change the appearance of it. You can extend the wallpaper. Now press add widgets, and here are the list of the widgets you can add. So for example, we want to add our batteries. So choose the battery status. I like it this way, and simply leave it. So as you see, it leaves automatically. Now if you tap on each widget, for example, let's tap on this one, we can adjust it as well. It can be in a different language. It can be of a different thickness, right? I like them thin, different fonts, different colors, any color you can imagine, which sounds cool to me. You can adjust the color using this scale. However, I think I'll just leave it on black one as a classics. Add up some new widgets. Or if you're satisfied with your choice, at the top right corner you can find your done button, simply press on it. And that's it. That's how you add widgets to your lock screen and customize it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.